In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube lag and make Google Chrome run much faster. It's a simple process, so just follow along. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Settings to reveal more options. Next, look for the System section. Here, you'll see an option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Simply turn this off. Disabling this can help reduce lag and improve performance, especially when watching videos on YouTube. Now let's move on to the second step. Again, click on the three dots, then go to More Tools and select Clear Browsing Data. A new tab will open. Here, change the time range to all time. Now tick all the boxes except for passwords, unless you want to delete those as well. Once done, click on Clear Data. Doing these two steps can really help speed up your browser and fix annoying lags when watching videos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.